Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming GPS is on and the map app has location permission. Open Google Maps or an equivalent app and switch to a view you prefer. Tap and hold on the screen where you want the first waypoint, then read the coordinates or place name that appears. This is your anchor. Once done, use the pin's info card to save or label the point so you can find it again quickly. Next, add the rest of your waypoints by tapping each desired spot and labeling them with short, clear names. Make sure to save each pin into the same list or custom map so they stay organized. Many apps call this Save, Label, or Create List. If you plan to use them elsewhere, export or share coordinates as text, KML, GPX, or a map link. Doing that ensures compatibility and makes batch upload. To use a waypoint for navigation, open your saved list, tap the point and choose directions. Then pick driving, walking, or hiking as appropriate. Make sure GPS accuracy is set to high, avoid tall buildings, and enable high accuracy mode in settings if you need tighter fixes. If a saved waypoint won't load or shows wrong coordinates, refresh the map, manually re-enter the latitude/longitude, or restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.